हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। एज़ यू ऑल नो हमारा स्कूल स्टार्ट हुआ और बिकॉज़ ऑफ कोविड की जो स्पीड बढ़ी है उसकी वजह से अगेन हमारी ऑफलाइन क्लासेस बंद हो गई हैं और ऑनलाइन क्लासेस स्टार्ट हो गई हैं। सो विद आवर फर्स्ट ड्राइंग ऑनलाइन क्लास वी आर हेयर टुगेदर to learn something. As you all, most of you, I think, remember that in our first class we discussed about some Indian folk art. So today we will learn about Warli art. As I told you, this Warli art, in this Warli art, this art belongs to tribes of. मे बी यू ऑल नो दिस आर्ट बिलोंग्स टू महाराष्ट्र। तो ये वहाँ की ट्राइबल आर्ट थी, तो हम उसके लिए ही उसी के फिगर्स हम ड्रॉ करेंगे, राइट। just for the reference I have drawn it with a pencil so that it will be easy for me to complete the work within a time period. So the first work, what you have to do, make a margin line on the fourth side of the page, mention the date, and then you will start your work. And we will not fill color in this picture, we will draw it with the black pen only. But first, initially you have to draw it with the pencil as I have drawn, and I am drawing it with a black pen. And this figure we will not for drawing this figure we will not take the help of scale. Freehand we will draw. Just for the margin line we will take the help of a scale, right? So as you all know, I told you, for this figure we have to make a big X and we have to join the top and the bottom of this figure. Now we'll make a head, and as I told you, if you remember, for making a female figure we have to make a bun on the head of this figure, so it will depict female figure, right? And as this figure is having some instrument which they are with which they are playing, and we have to design this figure, right? Sticks they are having, and this figure is at least 16 centimeter long. डोंट मेक इट टू स्मॉल। मैंने आपको कई बार ये बात बोली है कि आप जब ड्राइंग करते हैं तो आपका फिगर स्मॉल हो जाता है एज़ कंपेयर टू द स्पेस। जो आप स्पेस लेते हो उसके कंपैरेटिवली स्पेस बहुत ज़्यादा बच जाता है और आपकी ड्राइंग क्या होती है, छोटी रह जाती है, राइट। सो हियर ऑल्सो दिस मेल फिगर इज ऑल्सो हैविंग वन इंस्ट्रूमेंट with which they are playing and they are dancing while making a noise with this instrument. This is a female figure, so we will not make a bun on his head. And this leg, as it is waving in the air, it shows that they are dancing, right? So we will not fill the whole figure with the black pen. We will just make a small triangle in this above one triangle, and again the another triangle on the downside one triangle, and we will leave a little bit equal space and we will fill the inner one triangle, right? ठीक है, तो आप ये फिगर कंप्लीट करेंगे। मैं इस फिगर की आपको पिक्चर पूरी कंप्लीट करके दूंगी, सेंड करती हूँ। टिल दैट टाइम you have to make a border on the fourth side of the page, and you can create a beautiful design with this margin line also. Let me show you how this I have drawn. It's a very simple art. अगर आप एक बार इसकी फिगर्स को समझ जाओगे कि कैसे फिगर लेटा हुआ बनाना है, कैसे फिगर बैठे हुए बनाना है, तो आपको समझ आ जाएगा। अगेन आई एम डूइंग अ डबल लाइन विद दिस बॉर्डर, एंड व्हाट वी विल डू, we will make diagonal lines in this border, so it will create a frame to this figure. On the fourth side you have to complete this with the diagonal lines, and I'll complete this picture and I'll send the photograph in group. Okay, so you have to complete your work, and by tomorrow evening you have to send it on my WhatsApp number, right? Okay, thank you.